Before getting started, you'll need a few tools, including a spray bottle, a sponge or towel, and water. Step 1. Saturate the wallpaper with clean water using either a spray bottle or sponge. Let the paper relax for about 2 minutes. This allows the adhesive to reactivate for easy removal. Step 2. Start pulling the first panel down from top to bottom. Pull at a 45-degree angle for easier removal. Saturate the panel with more clean water as needed if a panel is being stubborn. Repeat as necessary for all other panels. Step 3. Using a damp sponge or towel, wipe off any remaining paste residue from the wall. Congrats! You've removed pre-pasted wallpaper. The wall is now ready to be painted or for another wall mural installation. For more tips and tricks or inspiration, visit muralsyourway.com.